You are now watching KG Channel. Hello and welcome back. Ito na po ang mga maiinit na balita. Nagtrending ang intimate wedding ng TV personality and actress Shaira Diaz at ang aktor na si E.A. Guzman. Bago ikinasal ang mag-asawa na ngayon na sina E.A. Guzman at Shaira Diaz, binisita muna ng unang hirit host na si Kaloy Tingkungko ang Kapuso Morning Sunshine sa kanyang kwarto para i-check up siya at tanungin kung mayroon siyang wedding jitters. Wala naman, parang okay ako, ready. Basta sinabi ko lang sa isip ko pagkagising ko, ang aga naman nilang dumating lahat, she said. Sinabi rin ni Shaira sa unang hirit mainstay na si Arnold Clavio na tinukoy niya bilang kanilang ninong na nakatulog siya ng 2 a.m. dahil natapos niya ang pagsulat ng kanyang mga wedding vows. Tinapos ko po kasi yung vow ko, nagsulat talaga ako, tapos bukod talaga dun, may pinaghahandaan talaga ako. Yung lagi nating pinagkukwentuhan. Grabe ang pressure, dagdag ni Shaira. Tungkol naman sa vision niya para sa kanyang wedding look ngayon. Sinabi ng Sparkle Star sa host na si Susan Enriquez na she's going for a dreamy look. Medyo may pagka-Korean dreamy look. Basta gusto ko clean look lang. Fresh, syempre, glowing tayo dapat buong magdamag. Gusto ko very pure lang yung itsura natin. Sinabi rin ni Shaira sa mga host ng unang hirit na labis siyang nasasabik na ikasal sila ni E.A. at sa wakas ay matatawag na niya itong asawa. Binigyan din niya si E.A. ng isang taus-pusong mensahe bago ang kanilang kasal. Baba, mahal na mahal kita, alam mo yan. And I'm so excited na makita ka mamaya sa aisle syempre. And I can't wait to marry you. I can't wait to be Mrs. Guzman. Sa iyo lang ako forever. Mahal na mahal kita, sabi ni Shaira. Samantala, balikan natin ang naging love story nila, E.A. at Shaira. Their love story is a 12-year journey, marked by patience, respect, and a commitment to celibacy until marriage. Shaira and E.A. met on a reality show, and their bond deepened after performing together at a mall show. They chose to practice celibacy throughout their relationship, a decision rooted in their faith and personal values. E.A. admitted it wasn't always easy, but Shaira's love and respect for her family guided them. E.A. proposed in December 2021 with a romantic setup, complete with flowers and a "Will you marry me?" neon sign. They kept their engagement private for almost 3 years before announcing it on the show, Unang Hirit, in February 2024. They recently opened a branch of their Ba Ba Thai tea shop in Las Piñas and traveled to Hokkaido, Japan. In 2023, they took a trip to South Korea, where they visited the Seoul Tower for the Lovelock experience and got tattoos together. Nagbahagi din sila ng mga larawan sa social media at makikitang nag-enjoy ang dalawa. After 12 years together, they are now husband and wife. The longtime couple tied the knot in a church wedding, attended by Shaira's fellow Unang Hirit hosts, along with her and E.A.'s loved ones. Umaga bago ikasal sina E.A. at Shaira, ibinahagi ng Kapuso Morning Sunshine ang isang sulyap sa kanyang paghahanda para sa kanyang kasal sa morning show at sinabing, I can't wait to marry you. Binati at kinongratulate din sina Shaira at E.A. ng kanilang mga showbiz friends at mga netizens. Sinabi din na napaka-genuine umano ang reaction at ng kasal nina E.A. at Shaira habang naglalakad ito sa altar. Makikita at ramdam umano ang purong pagmamahal ng dalawa. Samantala, sila naman ang mga celebrities at kilalang personalidad na dumalo sa kasal, ang mga kaibigan ni E.A. at Shaira na sina Joros Gamboa, Raver Cruz, Rojun Cruz, Gerald Anderson, Coco Martin, Julia Montes, Jenilyn Mercado, Arnold Clavio, Michael V., Jinggoy Estrada, Jasmine Curtis, Paulo Contis, mga co-hosts ni Shaira sa Unang Hirit at marami pang iba. Ito naman ang nakakaaliw na sinabi ni Shaira sa kanyang asawang si E.A. at humingi pa ng permission sa kanyang mga magulang. Magiging masaya ka na mamaya. To, Mama Daddy pwede na ha. After 12 years of patience, respect, and unwavering faith, Shara Diaz and E.A. Guzman's love story is a beautiful reminder that true love is always worth the wait. Ang pag-ibig nila ay patunay na sa tamang panahon. Ang pinakamagandang regalo ay ang pagtupad sa pangako sa isa't isa at sa Diyos. It's beautiful tale of enduring love and commitment. Their love story is also a testament to the power of respect and trust in a relationship. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal and stay in love, respect each other, and strong. Congratulations and best wishes, Shara and E.A. Guzman.